suppose when others speak, you keep quiet, speaking the feet. Child has a period, he has a question to ask, he said, no, I'm busy, please don't ask. Later on, the child is something.
You don't like that our child is saying, no sir, this is.
So I always say that if you get a good grade from me, then one must teach you what to use that I didn't know before. Otherwise, I would have been regretted from it. So, I agree that this is a very important point.
We always teach that.
You have shown us history formula for sharing. How does it shape that? Does it mean that you know us history?
No, this formula is a template. You can develop better ways. You can do this. You can whatever framework that you wish. The concept is important. The concept is that all of us who develop innovation draw upon public goods, public resources, societal resources, community resources. For anyone to believe that I am such a great thinker that I never used an open access library, I never used open access knowledge system, I developed this idea from thin air, somewhere, in a dream, that's not the way it happens. Yes.
Well, we have specialized data for various countries and export, import, share of the trade. Is there any data for India? How much through innovations and patent is earned vis-a-vis other countries? Because this will give a boost. If people see more and more earning, will be more excited for going more and more innovation.
Well, earning is one way, social well-being is another way. There are many ways in which you can navigate that innovations. So, you know, one way. There are many ways. If you improve a system by which women don't have to carry water on their head, that's also an improvement in the quality of life. And it will not be captured in the export value. But it will definitely be need innovation in that system because there is no justification for women to carry water on their head after so many years of independence and so many years of development. So, I don't think you can capture everything into the trade values, though many things can be. Drugs, if you develop a drug where R&D has been another component, you can just calculate the value that it generates for that. So there are many techniques where you will be able to do that, but in many techniques you will not be able to do that manner to show its relevance in society. So we have to possibly develop a very rich index to measure the contribution that technology or knowledge makes to society value. One of which will be also society. But that is only one of them.
Most data available now.
First of all, there is no data on the innovation in that subject. How will you know what? I'll tell you something. I don't do much work in the corporate sector. But of late, some of them invite me for the innovation award, and I said I was the jury of Tata Innovation Award this year. So all the Tata companies were there. Cora, what else? Three of us. Former chairman of this firm and the general business firm. One question I asked them, I said, do you have a law of innovation? He said, no. Do you have a file somewhere? Not for one. And this is off the record, I don't want to report it. I'm just sharing with you to tell you. And there are many companies I can give you examples where there is no track, there is no law, there is no register, there is no file. So to say, small, medium, big, all levels. But in your company also you may not have a file. You have 9 patents, but there will be many more innovations that what can happen. But you don't keep a track of these ideas, these innovations. So to manage your contribution is very important. But this is something that you must improve very fast. There are ideas which a worker can have, a driver can have, gift man can have, anybody can have ideas. And it's not something that they should come only from RTC.
But sir, in Ghana, we were 25 years back, there was, we had that idea box, and any worker, supervisor, manager, he can put his idea, and it was being evaluated, and price was given, or money was given according to, if company says 1 crore, you will be getting 5 lakhs or so. So these were started 25 years, maybe some data available like that.
I can tell you something. I will change the committee of the petroleum sector. You know the speaking, what the management committee that is there? Petroleum and National Petroleum Management. Are we from refinery? You know what, that meter wire that we have put in, is that very much what it is? You know what he did? This is a very good example. Oil sector is the richest in the cash revenue, right? So they would invite ideas from what we did for us. There is a control group, what do you call that, Mr. Better?
Oval chamber.
All the transactions that are taken place in very refinery happen here. So there is a particular tube through which a gas came. And when gas expands, it cools. When it cools, the precipitation takes place. Because the precipitation solves the problem at the end. The tube gets clogged. So once in 15 days, you have to clean up this tube. He got an idea. Why is it clogging? Because gas is expanding. And so he took a coil, put it outside the machine where from the tube was coming with the gas, outside, he did it down. So when hot gas back, even when it expanded and cooled, it did not cool as much, it took precipitation. Canadian company, which sells this thing to our family, which requires 1 to 15 days, the manual says, stop the refinery, because if you stop this, refinery stops. 2 crore rupees of production, go down. Every time, every 15 days, you have to stop it and clean. That's what the manual says of the company manufactures this. This man solved that problem. How much award he gave? 50,000? 20,000?
50,000.
50,000. Just that. Nothing. When you are saving 2 crores every 15th day,
At the same time, sir, the same year I was bypassed from promotion.
just imagine now. Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
So shameful.
Can you imagine? This is hand now. This committee is scrapped. You know that? This committee has been scrapped. Because this committee was there, and by chance about the chairman like me, I gave a question that he should be given a chance to go to the video. And look at the question like what he has done, because he can see the margin. You know, he was perfect something, he never done it. He was not going to do. What a shame. And then this sector is supposed to have been stopped. I'm telling this to you, off the record, not you, just tell you, institutions are powerful when it comes to this. And people like him who are in public system working on normal salaries, no incentives, have to face this problem.
Is it not a sheer arrogance or negligence on the part of the higher organization?
Anyway, I'd like to stop here. My suggestion is that we will now I don't want to end on a pessimistic note. The good thing is that he's here. And good thing is that another two colleagues from the petroleum sector of Chile, they are here. Because I thought, having met them, I need to invite them. What they have done is great. I was so deeply impressed by the technology. Because Canadian company said